Hey guys, Jeff here with Simply Derivative, and here is our daily recap for today's trading session. It is Tuesday, October 29th. We are fast approaching the 31st, Halloween, and getting close to wrapping up the year. Just wanted to go over the market today real quick, looking at three time frames here on the MES. Same thing as the ES, just the micro contract. A bunch of trades today that were set up, bunch of opportunities that came up, even though the market didn't seem like it did a whole lot. Basically swung in about a 10-point range during the U.S. session hours. But let's just go over real quick what we looked at in the morning, and then what type of opportunities set up on the day. Now, at the time over here on the 60-minute, you can see that this blue line was the previous day high, and we poked above that a few times, could not stay above that, and proceeded to come back to this, basically this pivot or swing up here at 3034, which brings us into the market environment that we saw this morning. Before the market opened, we were basically in a flat or weak inside day. The market was below the previous day high and above the previous day low, trading around the overnight level, trading around the open of this Globex candle at 3039 and the previous close, which was 3036 quarter. And so that told us what type of market environment we were looking at. Our overnight high right here was 3040.75. Again, you can see we popped up above that. We also popped up above the previous day high. Could not hold, could not continue, pulled back, retested down in the first 15 minutes, down in the first 5 minutes worth of trading. You can see that here off of this 5 minute. So we had a few opportunities just based on that factor alone. The market conditions, the market environment itself, weak to flat inside day. When the market opens, it trades above Globex high, trades above previous day high, can't stay up there, comes back down to the open for the regular trading hours session. We're treating this day again as an inside day because that's how the market opened up. So we would take this opportunity down here to buy the market, buy the MES with anticipation of rallying back up towards the highs, which it did, and that produced not only our targets were on the way up, but it also presented a shorting opportunity, again, going back to the market condition and what we were looking at before trading started on the day was a weak to flat inside day. And an inside day is usually represented by range-bound markets, meaning lows get bought, highs get sold, and that's exactly what you saw today. And there was a bunch of opportunities, like I talked about earlier, that we took and that were available in today's session. You had a chance to hop on board the market at the open and take that up, basically saying that we were going to go test the highs, which we did. We took out the highs by a few points, couldn't stay up there. There was an opportunity to join this pullback after we got a bearish candle close on this 5 minute and we had the drop away. That was a signal in here to join the trend down for a retest. Again, thinking that it's an inside day, knowing that it's an inside day, that we're going to go retest lows. And we came back down there, and that's exactly what we did. Again, there was the opportunity to buy the lows or the open, which was down here at 34, with anticipation of taking it back up towards the highs of the day, thinking inside day. Again, the market environment is very important in terms of being able to identify what are the highest probability trade setups, trade opportunities, and find those areas in price that we can see turns. And that's exactly what we did today. That's what we look for every single day. And then we had a few other opportunities on the smaller time frame. Basically, if you missed the short up here, once we got back up above 42.75, you still had a chance to hop on board a few more times and take it back down. I thought we'd get a break of this and move lower, but most likely, again, we're going to trade up because we are in an uptrend. We did just put in all-time highs, so definitely bullish sentiment up here. And so any demand really is probably going to want to be bought, and so that's what we're looking at. But we have the Fed meeting tomorrow. We're going to see what they do with rates, and we'll see what the market does after that. That's it for today, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. If you want to learn more about how to read the markets, how to understand what the market is telling you, using price charts, using technical analysis, then definitely check us out at simplyderivative.com. Got a bunch of videos coming out in the next couple weeks going into detail about trade setups that revolve around this type of information, multiple time frames, price action, chart patterns, all that good stuff. We'll actually get into a lot of it as well. So anyways, hopefully you guys had a good trading day. We will see you next time, and have a good one.